Hello friends, my name is Renuka and today I'm sharing a quick video that how I created saying thanks to the teacher and the other staff. So these are the watercolor cards. First I will share with you and with the matching tag, and you can see how I created them, all of them, on my channel. I really love watercolors, and this time I decided to give more watercolors, whatever I can make in the short period of time. And I can make matching kind of tags with the leaves and something like that. As some of them I print backside also, like thanks or thank you teachers, and these are those. I'm gonna show some more tags with you. Before that I will show the matching cards and tags. Now you can see this one, then I have this one, cherish the moment, and this thanks, and this one, thank. So thanking is like you don't have to wait for to say thanks. You can thanks anyone anyway. So those are the things, and what I'm trying to see. Okay, so these are I'm planning to stamp that you're more than a teacher, and this will go like this. So one of these cards are like from, I created those for the show they happen in the school, and they have this theme. So few of the cards I created that way, so they have the themes. Then thanks a ton, you can see. Then especially highlighting the teacher word. This is a teacher, so these are more for like male teacher, because there are very few cards. Most of the times the butterflies are there. I love this card. Then thank you for teaching me to fly. Again the thanks. Again few watercolor cards which I'm gonna match these tags with them, and you can see with all my heart, thanks for being there, and they're gonna match together. You make me smile. And again one of more is like thanks, and I created these envelopes also, and these are the cards which you don't need any dies or something. I created everything by hand, that is the thing. And then other I'm planning to give is these. This is also fully made by hand, and some of these are having matching envelopes like this. So I hope you like this small video.